Here's a quick overview of the SFX features in MagicLight. It's a new feature, so there's room for improvement. For basic sound effects, it may work well. For advanced SFX, consider programs like 11 Labs. I've included other options in the description. Let's dive into MagicLight's SFX. All 60 available sounds are at the end of this video in case you want to listen to all of them. There is no charge to use SFX, so use it as much as you want. The effects are short and not continuous. The ambulance sound, for example, will stop after a few seconds. Here's an example of our first attempt. The scene continued, but the ambulance sound did not.
Male, mid-30s, unconscious. ETA 5 minutes. Prepare for immediate trauma protocol.
You can fix this by breaking it into several scenes. We broke this one up into 3. Here's how that came out.
On approach with an MVA patient. Male, mid-30s, unconscious. ETA 5 minutes. Prepare for immediate trauma protocol.
We did the same with the hospital scene, using the heart rate monitor. Here's the first take where the sound effect cuts out.
Linda is resting now. The operation went well and we expect a full recovery.
And here's how we broke it up into several scenes, this time using the lip sync function, which only cost 20 credits per scene.
Linda is resting now. The operation went well and we expect a full recovery.
I'm confident the SFX will improve. For now, it may be good enough for some of your projects. If you want to see my workflow using other SFX solutions with a video editor, like Premiere Pro, please comment below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that little thumb down there for me. Feel free to comment with your questions or suggestions for the next video. As I mentioned, I recorded all 60 sound effects for you that are available in MagicLight.ai as of August 16, 2025. Here they are. Thanks for watching. Ha ha ha.